Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. External, the motorhome will have strong angles, sharp lines, and prominent aerodynamic components to reduce drag and increase stability. Carbon fiber, aluminum, and other advanced composite materials enhance performance and efficiency by drastically lowering weight. Sleek, contemporary headlights and taillights with the iconic Lamborghini lighting style. Large, artistically crafted forged wheels and brake calipers in vibrant colors. Inside, a large digital display, touch controls, and ergonomic buttons make up the cockpit-style control panel. Exotic materials, exquisite leather upholstery, exposed carbon fiber, billet aluminum, and crystal or rare metal accents. A king-size bed with a premium mattress and programmable ambient lighting. Among the kitchen's amenities are an induction stove, a small refrigerator freezer, an integrated espresso maker, and ingenious storage. A large retractable OLED display, a top-tier surround sound system, and an integrated game console, cabinets with space-saving features, concealed storage areas, and pull-out drawers, using a central touchpad or a smartphone app. All car features may be operated by touch, a 360-degree camera, an augmented reality navigation system, and advanced driving assistance features ADAS, self-powered system, long-term off-grid, functioning with advanced battery storage and integrated solar panels, biometric locks, advanced surveillance systems, and maybe active defense mechanisms are examples of high-level security. The powertrain of this motorhome will most likely be powered by a very powerful plug-in hybrid system or be entirely electric a large battery and multiple or triple electric motors for all-wheel drive. In accordance with current automotive trends, the advanced drivetrain will deliver surprising acceleration for its small size. In a high-performance braking system, large carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping force, accessible roof to relax and enjoy the view.